Good day to all my intelligent online viewers. Today is a great day. Subscribe to this channel today. Strike the bell also so that all the notifications will be seen by you when they come on board. Continue our study. Preparation of carbon 4 oxide. This gas is dry collected by downward delivery because it is heavier than air. The special apparatus used in preparing this gas in the laboratory is called Kidd's apparatus. This is an SS1 topic. In SS2 it will be more elaborated under sulfur and its compound. Physical properties of carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide is a colorless gas. It is odorless with sharp, refreshing taste. Okay, I will come back to this. It is about 1.5 times heavier than air. It is moderately soluble in water. It changes damp litmus paper, blue litmus paper to red. It liquefies and solidifies at 78 degrees Celsius to form a white solid called dry ice. Now, chemical properties of carbon 4 oxide. Number 1 is reaction with water. It is treated as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride are substances, when they react with water, they give weak acid, fine. So carbon 4 oxide reacting with metal. Please take note, anytime you are writing chemical property, write the statement and write the equation. Like I have written my own reaction with water. See, CO2 plus water give H2CO3. That's hydrogen triisocarbonate 4. Number 2 chemical property is reaction with alkali. It reacts directly with alkali to yield triisocarbonate 4. Look at it. CO2 plus NaOH go to Na2CO3 plus H2O. That's what it's going to give us. Chemical properties of CO2 still continues. When you bubble CO2 into lime water is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is CaOH bracket 2. So see what it will give. This is another chemical property. CO2 plus lime water. It's arrow for what? CaCO3 plus H2O. When excess carbon 4 oxide is bubbled into lime water, see what will happen now? The mixed solution becomes clear due to reaction of excess carbon 4 oxide with insoluble calcium triisocarbonate 4. This is how to test for carbon 4 oxide. Let's go on. Next slide. Uses of carbon 4 oxide. Number 1, it is used to put fizz in mineral drinks. If you drink Coca-Cola, you drink Pepsi, you drink all this soft drink, it is carbon 4 oxide that is giving it refreshing taste. Now, just open a bottle of Coca-Cola down for 24 hours and taste it. You can imagine how it will be. The solid CO2 is used in refrigerator for keeping substances cool. Let us continue with the study. Don't be tired of washing. Keep washing until you are able to understand all I'm explaining. Oxide. Uses of carbon 4 oxide. Green plants use to synthesize their food through photosynthesis. It is also used as a leavening agent in baking industry. It is used as coolant in nuclear reactor. It is used as baking compounds. It can also be used in urea, in ammonium tetrasulfate, which is used as fertilizer. So let us now move on and say preparation of carbon 2 oxide. Preparation of carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide is produced by incomplete combustion of carbon compound like octane by passing CO through a red hot carbon. It will give us carbon 2 oxide. Look at the equation. CO2 plus C go to this H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent just to remove any water content and to give us CO. Then we'll go on. Do you get that? This is carbon 2 oxide preparation continues. Another way you can prepare carbon 2 oxide is in two ways. Maybe you can decide to use methanoic acid or ethane acid. Now let's use methanoic acid. Methanoic acid is HCOOH, as you can see here. Water is removed using concentrated H2SO4 as catalyst to give CO. And ethane acid, water is removed, is going to give us mixture of two gases, which are CO2 and CO. Those are the products that it will give to us. Now let us see physical properties of carbon 2 oxide. It is colorless, tasteless, and odorless, insoluble in water but dissolved in ammoniac copper 2 chloride, is slightly less than air. It is neutral to litmus. Please, and this is a must to know. Chemical properties of carbon 2 oxide. The chemical properties of carbon 2 oxide, Pb. Okay, let's put a